Okay, welcome to Ability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson. In this video we shall be looking at some of our questions. These questions are on our video, which was prime factorization. We are able to look at what prime factorization means and how do we find how do we prime factorize a number. So we did examples and we are able to see how we can really make this well. So in today's question, in today's video we are also looking at some more examples such that we can be able to get the tricks and understand how we can really overcome this problem of prime factorization. Okay, so here we have a number here, our example here. Then we shall be able now to go to our questions and we try out them using the concept that we have been able to learn within this video. Okay, so here we are given an example which is they said factorize 100. They were telling us to factorize what? They are telling us to factorize 100. Okay, so when they told us to factorize 100, we should be able to use our formal method. Now here, which kind of method was used here? Someone with an answer? Okay, so here they were able to use our what? Our factor tree method. And we said that for us to find our factor tree method, we have to write our number here. After writing our number here, then we bring these angles. Okay, so after bringing those angles, we look out for the lowest number that can divide this without giving us a remainder. Okay, so here we use the 2. They said 100 divided by 2, we get what? We get 50. Also we divide 50 by 2, we get 25. Okay, so we have our 25 here. Now we look out for the lowest number we can divide by 25. So here they're able to get 5. We get 5. When you say 25 divided by 5, you get our answer as 5. Then also we look for another number which can divide the 5, which is 5. 5 divided by 5, we get what? We get a 1. So after getting this, now they are able to come to our set notation or subscript notation. We use this subscript notation to make us understand if we are given, if we are asked to give our answer in form of what? In form of powers. Okay, so now here you come and arrange. You say our 2 appears once, it appears once, which is this one, appears twice, which is this one, it appears, okay, it appears to what? 2 times. Okay, then also we have our 5, which also appears once, it appears also twice. Okay, 1, 2. Alright, so we have now known how many times our 2 appears and also how many times our 5 appears. Then we shall be able now to make a multiplication form. So when we say our 2 appears twice, this is the same as our factor of 10, I mean of 100, is going to be equal to 2 times 2, then times 5 times 5. So for us to indicate this in our power form, we should be able now to say our factor of 100 is going to be equal to 2 to the power 2. That simply means 2 times 2. Then we say 5 power 2, which simply means 5 times 5. Okay, so this is how we can now answer our number in a what? Our number in a power form. Alright, hope that is clear. Now we shall be able to go to our activity or try out numbers. Okay, so in these tryout numbers we have been given this part A, part B, part C. So those are our numbers today. Then we are going to solve them, all of us together, as we share the concept that we have been able to get from our first video and this second video. Okay, so here they are saying prime factorize the following. Our part A is our part A, 18 in power form. So they want us to present this in what? In the power form. Okay, so let's do our number here, which is our part A. We have been given our 18. Okay, this is our 18 in the power what? They are saying in the power form. Okay, so that is our number what? 18. So we said we can either use a ladder method or we can use a factor tree method. Okay, so let's use our method, which is okay, we use which one? Let's use this one, factor tree. So we said we are going to divide our 18 by 2. We shall be able to get our 9. Okay, so we also get our 9. We say our 9 divided by what? 9 divided by 3. Then here we shall be able to get our what? Our 3. So also 3 divided by 3. We shall get our 1. So here we have now been able to get our answers. Okay, so now here they want us to present our answer in what? In a power form. So we have a 2 appearing once. We also have a 3 appearing once, a 3 appearing twice. Okay, so this is a subscript form or a set notation. If they tell you to present it in a set formation, then you leave it this way. So now here they want us our power form. We said this simply mean in the multiplication form, this simply mean 2 power 1 then times 3. Okay, times 3. This is 2 one time, then 3, then 3. So now for us now to be able to present this in the power form, we write it, we say our factor of 18 shall be equal to this is the same as 2 to the power 1 because it appears once, times our 3 power what? Power 2 because it appears what? 2 times. So we shall have done that number and it will be done in what? In the power form. Okay, so let's look at another number which we were given. We have our 24 here in power form. Let's also do it. We have our what? We have our 24. Okay, we have our 24 also in what? In the power form. We said we draw what? We draw our angle in that way. So we look at our 24. What is 20? Which number can we divide by 24? And the lowest number we can divide by 24 is what? Someone with an answer, someone with an answer. Okay, let's try out a 2. So when you divide 24 by 2, we get what? We get 12. Also, we are going to divide our 12 by 2. We get what? We get 6. Also, we are going to divide our 6 by 2. We shall be able to get what? 3. Okay. So we are having now our what? I'm going to make a continuation here. We are having our 3. We are also still going to divide our what? Our 3. Which number, which is the lowest one, we can divide by 3 is what? Is 1. Okay. So this is what? This is 1. Okay, let me rub this. So we have 3 divided by 3, we get what? We get a 1. Okay. So this simply means that for us to represent this in a set notation or subscript form, we shall be able to get our 2, which is 1 time, then our 2 second time, then our 2 3, then we have our 3. Our 3 is appearing what? Once. Okay, so now this simply means that for us to represent this number, we can say in a multiplication form, we can say 2 times what? 2 times 2 times what? Times 2, because there are 3 times. Okay, this is a 2, please. Let me put it clear. We are saying times 2 because there are 3 what? There are 3 times. Then our last one is what? 3. So if we want to write in a power form, we shall be able now to write our factor of 24. 24 will be equal to 2 to the power what? Someone with an answer? 2 power what? 1, 2, 3. It appears what? 3 times. Then times our 3 power what? It appears what? 1 time. So this is going to be our what? Our answer. Okay, so we have another one which is 9. Okay, have another one which is 9. So when we try our 9 here, using our method, okay, using our method, we shall use 3. Okay, 9 divided by 3, we get 3. Then also here we say our 3 divided by 3, we get 1. So this simply means that our factor of 9 in a power form is going to be equal to 3 power 2. Okay, so that is going to be our what? Our answers. That is how we can be able now to get our what? We can be able to get numbers on factorization, and tell you to factorize and present your answer in a power form. We can now be able to drive with what? With an answer. Alright, hope this was also able to make you good and you're also able to understand something. Please let me say thank you very much for being part of this. Check out on the playlist below for you to get some lessons that you might have missed, and also subscribe for you to get some more upcoming lessons. Also comment for us to know how the lesson was good or how we can improve it. Thank you very much. Have a nice moment. See you in the next video.